Breezeway tutorial. Managing vacation rentals, boutique hotels, or short-term rental properties in 2025 requires more than just listing your spaces online. Guests today expect spotless properties, smooth check-ins, and responsive service every time they book. At the same time, property managers and hosts need tools that simplify coordination with staff, track cleaning and maintenance, and provide real-time visibility into operations. That's where Breezeway comes in. Breezeway is a leading property care and operations platform designed for short-term rentals, vacation homes, and hospitality businesses. It gives property managers the ability to coordinate cleaning teams, automate inspections, track maintenance tasks, and even communicate with guests, all from one centralized dashboard. What makes Breezeway especially valuable is how it turns property operations into a well-oiled machine. Instead of managing spreadsheets, sticky notes, or multiple apps, you get one connected system where every property is scheduled, assigned, and tracked. Whether you oversee a handful rental homes or manage hundreds of properties, Breezeway helps ensure every guests arrive at a perfectly maintained space. In this video, we'll break down the key features of Breezeway, highlight the benefits of each, and show you why it's one of the best platforms for property care and rental operations in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the automated task scheduling and coordination. Breezeway automatically generates cleaning, inspection, and maintenance tasks based on guest reservations and property activity. Tasks are assigned to the right staff members, and the platform ensures that nothing falls through the cracks before the next guest checks in. Property manager saves hours of manual planning and avoids scheduling conflicts. Every property is cleaned, maintained, and inspected on time, leading to higher guest satisfaction and better reviews. Another key feature is the mobile app for field staff. The Breezeway mobile app allows housekeepers, inspectors, and maintenance staff to receive assignments, upload photos, check off tasks, and communicate with managers in real time. Staff can see exactly what's required at each property, including special guest requests or detailed cleaning instructions. This reduces miscommunication and ensures accountability. Managers get proof of completed work, while staff have clear guidance on their tasks. Another key feature is the property inspections and maintenance tracking. Breezeway makes it easy to schedule and document property inspections. Managers can create detailed checklists, log issues, and assign repairs directly to maintenance staff. Over time, the system builds a property history so you can track recurring issues and plan preventative maintenance. By catching problems early and maintaining a detailed record, property managers avoid costly emergencies and ensure properties remain in top condition. Another key feature is the guest messaging and communication tools. Beyond internal operations, Breezeway also enables guest communication. You can send automated messages for check-in, mid-stay updates, and check-out reminders. You can also respond quickly to guest questions or maintenance requests, all tracked in one platform. Strong communication improves the guest experience and builds trust. Automated yet personalized messages also reduce the workload for managers ensuring guests feel cared for throughout their stay. Another key feature is the integrations with PMS and booking platforms. Breezeway integrates with major property management systems and booking platforms like Airbnb, VRBO, and Booking.com. Integrations create a seamless workflow between bookings and property care. This eliminates errors, reduces double entry, and ensures that properties are always ready for incoming guests without managers needing to micromanage. So, why is Breezeway a great choice? Breezeway is an excellent choice for property managers in 2025 because it addresses the biggest challenges in short term rentals, which is maintaining consistency and quality at scale. Guests don't just expect clean and well kept properties, they expect reliability. Breezeway ensures that every property is prepared properly, whether you manage 5 rentals or 500. It also brings transparency to your operations. With real time updates, photos, and reports, you can see exactly what's happening at each property. This reduces the guesswork and stress that often comes with managing a distributed teams. Most importantly, Breezeway directly impacts guest satisfaction. Better operations lead to better reviews, which means more bookings and higher revenue. So basically, Breezeway is a complete property care and operations platform that helps managers deliver the consistent, high quality guest experiences that today's rental market demands. Breezeway becomes more than just a management tool, it becomes a growth engine for your rental business. With automated task scheduling, a mobile app for field teams, detailed inspections, guest messaging, and seamless integrations, it makes running short term rentals easier and more reliable than ever. So, if you're managing vacation rentals, boutique stays, or multi property operations, Breezeway is a platform that can transform the way you handle daily tasks. By streamlining property care and improving communication across staff and guests, it not only saves time, but also boosts your reputation and revenue. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.